All right, we are inside the Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 TB. Everything that you see in the picture is different than the 2108 FBS and DS. Everything behind me is the same in all three campers, so I'm going to show you what the difference is in the TB. The TB means twin beds, so you have two beds here, and of course you can charge your phone and stuff back there. This cushion picks up and you have a nice little nightstand there, or you can take this, fill it in right here, and use this cushion, and now you have a king-size bed that goes all the way across there. I know it looks a little lumpy, but if you take all the covers off, put the cushions in, put them back on, it's like really level, so it's pretty cool. And then if you don't want to use the king bed, you go back to a twin. Now, the other big thing about the TV is there's more storage than any of the other ones, because you have all under here and all under here. This whole way around is storage, and then the whole top up here is storage too. We're going to open that up. You can see it goes all the way through. These hold up all by themselves all the way through. It's all storage. They have those nice hinges that are adjustable and it holds them up. So all that storage there. You even have a storage shelf, lighting, and then I'm going to show you from outside. You can see all the storage under there and over there. And of course they all have prep for the tire monitor system, and they all have 200-watt solar panels with that 30-amp controller you see right there, and they're prepped for an inverter. Boop. So if you want to know anything else, like the whole rest of the camper, you can watch one of my 2108 FBS or DS videos, and that goes over the whole rest of the camper, because they're all the same from the bedroom back. Thank you for watching.